Grace Village is an assisted living community that specializes in dementia and Alzheimer's. This is their home away from home. We do have residents that come here that aren't ready to be separated from their living situation, and we at Haciendas do everything we can.
What we do here includes stuff like hanging out with the residents, we help with the medical team, we help round for all of the patients here, and we just engage with each of the residents and kind of learn more about them.
Our curriculum really emphasizes the social determinants of health, and so I think it's important to really engage in the community and really apply the concepts we're learning in our curriculum to real life scenarios.
I like coming here because it kind of helps ground me and it helps me refocus on the overall goal, which is becoming a well-rounded doctor. There are days where I feel the burnout is just too much and I lose focus of why I'm doing all this, but coming here really helps me refocus.
Having Burrell students at Haciendas has been wonderful because they've gotten the hands-on experience with our residents. They've been able to see the ins and outs, the way the residents speak, and the students understand that not every day is the same.
One of the most important things to me is that it's helping me refine my communication skills with older age individuals that are facing maybe hearing or memory challenges, as well as practicing patience, compassion, and empathy. They're going to help me in the future to become a better physician.